Sarura Kids.
Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp on the stones.
Ow! Toes!
Yes.
Toes!
Yes, there's stones in the ground. They're very big stones, aren't they? Did you lose your stick with the pine cone? That didn't last very long.
Daddy,
Yeah, let's go find a big stick. There's a big stick right at the top of the hill. Oh, Mummy hears something in the woods. Do you think it's a little bunny? Yes, bunny, Tsuro. Yes. The little bunny is called Tsuro. Tsuro. Can you say Tsuro? Tsuro, yes! A lovely little bunny. I heard something in the woods. And that's an owl. Little bunny. Yes, that's an owl too. A big puddle. It's a big puddle. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Yeah, you're splashing in the puddle. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of water. Did you see that, Daddy? Wow! Stomp, stomp, stomp. Wow, that's a lot of water in a very big puddle. Whoa! Wow! That is really dirty. That's all the way up to your shirt trousers. It's a good thing Mummy brought new trousers with us. Stomp, 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 stomp. It's already happened. Oh, exactly. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. We have a happy little baby. Let's have a look at you, happy baby. A happy little baby. Facing the front, wearing her favorite lovely Baby Bjorn Baby Carrier. It's wonderful. She's very good at walking. She's very fast. Oh no, we can't go up there. That's very high. The steeper the better. It is, yeah. It's always just been opposite where we go to. Yeah. This is your first time here, I know. Do you like it? Ah. Oh. Lots and lots of stones everywhere. Those are tiny stones and that's a little pine cone. Yeah! Pine cone! Very big pine cone. Oh! Right, let's keep going. A daddy cone, a very big daddy cone. Why are you stepping on the cone? You're stepping on the poor daddy cone. Poor daddy cone. Yes, you're stepping on the daddy cone. Poor daddy cone. You're stepping on the baby cone as well? Oh no, poor baby cone. Yes, that's a little cone. Yay! If I was asking past-minded, I'd probably know what cones. Is this why this is called the White Trail? Well, the road is white, so I assume that it was because the road is white. A big tree, yes, a very big tree. Is there a baby tree as well? A mummy tree? Ah, the tree fell over. And now there's a little lake where the tree used to stand. Oh, I know. What a big stick.
We make you dig down.
Wow, what a big stick.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no! What's happening? What's happening?
Oh no!
Oh no! Your stick is flying? Wow! Wow, it's flying! Yeah, it's flying! Oh no! It fell to the ground. Oh dear. You're gonna pick it up? Alright, then let's take our stick with us. It's a very big stick. Wow! Ah! Baby likes your flying stick. It's flying high in the sky. Flying! Yay!
Daddy, flying!
Flying stick, Daddy. A very big flying stick. Ah! Flying! So this is the little life. Ranger's S2. Ranger S2, which we absolutely love. Because it's one of the little baby carriers that can still carry our little baby, who's now a very grown-up girl with very muddy boots. Right, so off we go, guys. So she's doing the rest of this trip in style. Very happily in style. Whoa! Is that Daddy Horsey? What, do you want to be on Daddy Horsey too? A doggy, yes? What a big puddle that is.
That would go all the way over the top of your boots.
You think you can jump inside that one? It's a big monster puddle. A big daddy puddle. A mummy puddle? Oh, thank you. A baby puddle? That's a very big baby.
bigger stone than that.
You're very brave, Daddy. Kneeling.
It's very
Wow!
deep. I mean, that block means it's very deep water.
It must have really rained quite hard.
You
Yes.
want to do it? Okay, let's get those stones. Ready? Look.
Plop. Wow, good throwing.
It's a very deep puddle.
Blah, 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 blah. Right, I'm going to show you why somebody loves this little life carrier so much. So the reason we love this so much is because on the back of it, just where the little person is sitting, you've got all these little cute animals. So they never get bored. She sits there and, you know, speaks about all the different things she sees. Butterfly and bee and owl and shark and dinosaur. It's brilliant. Yeah. We'll go up the hill and then Mummy will stop filming. Right, let's go.
Maybe we can go back again for that.
Yeah. Let's go.
Daddy will run up the hill.
Yeah, Daddy's running up the hill. Run, 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 run. Oh, Daddy, I'm tired just watching you. Don't think I'm going to do the same thing. Woo! And Daddy's doing star jumps or holding Anna. Run, 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 run. Daddy's getting his daily exercise going. Woo! Run, 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 run. Oh my God, and this hill is quite steep. Oh my God, I'm tired. I'm tired just watching you. Oh God. I had to pick up the pace there. She's not that easy. Now I'm walking up the hill backwards because I'm special. I'm amazing like that. Right, but I think that's it for today. We're going to walk up the rest of this hill.
So we got to see the log pile house.
Oh, the log pile house. Okay, let's go see the log pile house. Little mouse, would you like to come for a feast? Is it for a feast in my log pile house? That was the fox, wasn't it?
No, that's the snake.
Doesn't the snake live by the lake? Oh, I don't know.
Yes, he did.
Okay,
But
so you tell me.
He lived in the log pile house.
Okay, right. Little mouse, would you like to come for a feast in my little log pile house?
Come for a feast in my log pile house.
Well, no. I'm off to have a feast with the Gruffalo.
It's terribly kind of you, snake, but no.
Oh, wow. You have read it.
I'm going to have a feast with a Gruffalo.
Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo?
So that's
Didn't
just-
you know?
Gruffalo? Can you do Gruffalo?
Gruffalo?
It's a Gruffalo.
What's a Gruffalo?
Even the snake does that.
With no hands. Gruffalo, why didn't you know? His eyes are orange and his tongue is black and he has purple prickles all over his back. And his favourite food is
Where are you meeting
scrambled.
him? Here by the snake?
Where are you meeting him? Here by.
Food is
His favourite food is scrambled snake. Ooh! It's time I hid. And away Snake slid. And that is Snake's log pile house. But there's no lake.
Is there a snake?
And there's no Gruffalo.
If we listen very carefully, can we hear a Gruffalo?
Can you hear Gruffalo? Shh. Can you hear the Gruffalo?
No, I don't hear Maybe Gruffalo's not here today.
Is there
We'll
a
have to come back
Gruffalo in the
another day.
woods? Where could the Gruffalo be?
I don't hear the mouse, but there must be a mouse.
Can you see a Gruffalo? Gruffalo, can you see the Gruffalo?
Baby Papa.
A baby Gruffalo? What a big daddy Gruffalo. Going for a walk through the deep, dark woods. A Gruffalo meeting a mouse, and the mouse looked good. Oh help, oh no, it's not a Gruffalo. Right guys, we've got to go because we've got to walk and concentrate. And I'll say bye-bye.
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 Bye bye.
See you later. Bye.